Hi. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a portrait using these oil pastels. I'm starting with this brown color to paint part of the hair. Dear friends, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be informed of my weekly tutorials. And don't forget to like the video, because it helps it get recommended to more people. Now I'm using another brown to color other parts of the hair. Now I'm using this mustard yellow color to fill in the uncolored parts of the hair. I'm again using a lighter brown to continue coloring the hair. As you can see, when I draw over the darker brown, it removes some of the color. But don't worry, you can use this as a special effect, or simply color over it again. Now I'm using a light color to add the highlights on the face. And now I'm using this light gray color to shade the shadow areas. First, I color the cheeks with pink. Then I go over the shadows again using a lighter gray. After that, I start blending and merging the colors together with lighter tones. In the oil pastel technique, when you layer several colors on top of each other, the colors blend and merge naturally. You can also use your finger for blending. I use dark and light gray to color the eyelids. And a lighter brown to color the eyebrows. Now I color the iris with green, and then go over the same area with gray to achieve the shade I want. After that, I use black to color the pupil and the eyelid line. To give the face a sun-kissed look, I also color the surface of the nose with pink. And I blend it out with a lighter color. I color the sides of the nose with light gray and the nostrils with black. Now I work on the shadows of the face again using gray and light brown to make them look nicer. I color the entire lips with red, and then use black to add shadows on the lips. Now I start coloring the neck with dark brown and light gray, and I blend the lighter areas where needed. I start coloring the earring with dark gray. To make the material and volume look nicer, I leave the highlighted areas uncolored. I color the outer edge of the earring with mustard yellow and leave some spots uncolored so it appears golden. Now I start with light brown to add freckles on the face. And I go over the eyelid lines again with black to make them look nicer. Now I deepen the hair color using dark brown and black. And now I use a sharp tool to create scratches on the hair. If you find this technique interesting, be sure to watch next Tuesday's video, because I'll be teaching it there. Again, I use red and black to work on the lips to give them more volume. Here, I should mention that if you want to remove some color, you can use a sharp tool. Now I want to color the shirt with a red marker. Using different techniques correctly in a drawing gives it depth and a special appeal. This is called mixed media. If you want to learn this technique, you can check out the mixed media playlist on my channel for the tutorials. For the background, I'm using acrylic paint, and to get the color I want, I mix these three colors together: white, blue, and green. And now I add the final touches on the face to make it look nicer. And here is the final result. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to post more oil pastel tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.